Basically what happened. This is a warbird. Okay, launching! Take it off! Yes, I have it.
Oh, you have it?
Yep,
Yeah.
I brought it too.
Same place, different
Yep.
colors?
Coming up, picking up. What's your name, Bob?
Okay, smoke coming on.
Alright, I'm gonna hand launch. Hand launch.
That worked really well.
Yeah. Low pass from the left.
You're all clear. You got smoke, right?
Yep. Watch this.
Still clear.
Low pass.
This thing's maneuverable. I can get in and out wherever I gotta go.
I just land right up on my feet.
Well, the smoke looks good.
The smoke looks really good.
Where's Robert? Let me pester Robert here for a minute. Okay, time for a spin. Can't hear it. You hear a little "ing, ing." Whoa, crapanoly. That barely got off. Low pass from the left.
There's two, whatever these things are
Can't hear it. God, it's freaking loud. Fly between the noisemakers.
The noise makers?
That's what they are. They don't go anywhere. They just make noise.
What are these things? They're not tiger moths.
No, well, one's a Jenny, and the other one's a Newport, I think. Yeah. That thing is so freaking loud. My God, that hurts. Smoke's still going. Bomb drop, I heard that. Dude, it's still smoking. Wow, it's doing good. Yep. Low pass from the left. I see him. I won't be able to hear after this, but I sure as hell can see. Sheesh. He's loud. See, that sounds reasonable. I hear him. Uh-oh.
Little airplane, so
Did something just die?
Something just died.
not real fast, but it is fun.
Did he make it?
Down at the end of the runway.
Okay.
And for anybody that ordered shirts, they're over here by the microphone station.
Yeah.
We do have some one-board shirts for sale over here. Plenty of sizes. Come on down, take a look at them.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,
Low pass coming
I heard him.
up,
1.
guys.
Time
There's a
expired.
low pass coming up.
Yeah, I'm gonna land it over here in the dirt.
Okay.
Right, guys?
I gotta come in here in a little bit.
Newport.
Landing?
Okay. I'll fly low throttle so I can conserve. Whoa, snap. Frickin' Robert. I'm gonna take out my knees burning, man.
Alright, that was fun.
Did the Spitfire land?
There's no last Spitfire.
Is that okay? Landing from the left. On the runway! On the runway, on the runway! Runway clear!